Are you trying to verify your WhatsApp account on your iPhone but not receiving the verification code? This can be frustrating, but in this video, I'll walk you through several simple and effective solutions to fix this issue and get your code. Step 1. Switch to mobile data first. Open your Settings app and turn off your Wi-Fi connection. Then go back and open Cellular or Mobile Data and enable it. Once it's on, look for the Cellular Data option. Tap on it and turn on data roaming. Now try requesting the verification code from WhatsApp again. If you receive it, great. But if not, don't worry. We have more fixes to try. Step 2. Restart iMessage and adjust message settings. If you're still facing issues, go back to Settings and scroll down to find the Messages section. If you're using iOS 18 or later, scroll further down to the Apps section and open the Messages app. Here, you'll see several options. Toggle iMessage off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This helps refresh the iMessage service and can resolve messaging-related issues. Next, scroll down and find the Filter Unknown Senders option. If it's enabled, turn it off, restart your iPhone, and then request another WhatsApp verification code. If the message arrives, you're all set. If not, let's move on to the next solution. Step 3. Use a VPN. If the previous steps didn't work, try using a VPN. Open the App Store and search for a free VPN app. One that I personally recommend is Bravado VPN, which I'll link in the video description. This app provides 10 gigabytes of free VPN data per month. Simply download the app, create a free account, and connect to a VPN server. Once you're connected, you'll see the VPN indicator at the top of your screen. Now, restart the WhatsApp app, open it again, and request a new verification code. Since you're now using a different IP address, this should resolve the issue and allow you to receive the code. Step 4. Use another phone to receive the code. If you're still not getting the code, try removing your SIM card and inserting it into another phone, either an iPhone or an Android device. From your primary phone, request a new WhatsApp verification code. The text message should arrive on the other phone where you inserted your SIM card. Simply enter the code into WhatsApp on your primary device, then put your SIM card back into your main phone. Final thoughts. These are some of the best solutions to fix the WhatsApp verification code issue on iPhone. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.